Imagebon 11.26-inch 4K Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. Designed for clarity, speed, and smart functionality, this advanced car DVR comes equipped with a powerful 4-core chip, capable of booting in just 3 seconds. Paired with a front 4K UHD 2160p and rear 1080p camera, it captures every detail on the road, from license plates to distant road signs. The large 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen offers a 135 degrees wide-angle view and ultra-smooth operation. It also features upgraded H.265 video compression, reducing storage use by over 30% without sacrificing quality. With the flexibility to choose left or right driving modes, the dash cam adapts to your comfort and regional driving standards. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality by connecting via Bluetooth, then seamlessly switching to 5 GHz Wi-Fi for data. This allows you to use navigation apps, receive calls, messages, and control audio, all hands-free with voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Whether through AUX, Bluetooth, FM, or the built-in speaker, you'll get excellent audio quality with low noise and high fidelity. Multiple display modes let you customize your experience. Full screen front/rear view, split screen, map plus dash cam, audio plus dash cam, and more. The built-in ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, offers lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and front vehicle movement detection, enhancing road safety. The dash cam supports real-time 1080p reverse view with adjustable guidelines, GPS tracking for location history, loop recording, and 24-hour parking surveillance when hardwired. Its high-performance night vision and 3-axis G sensor ensure round-the-clock security and clarity, even in low-light conditions. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app control, you can download footage directly to your smartphone and share it with family or insurance providers. Whether you're navigating, parking, or simply enjoying the ride, the Imagebon dash cam ensures a smarter, safer driving experience.